We're here at Dixon Farms. Gonna be one load of these Holsteins. But just a real nice set of Holsteins coming from Robbie Dixon, Dixon Farms. Will be sold on the September Max sale. They're going to be about 3, 4 of these Jersey Holstein crosses you see right here going in front of us. Right here they are. They will be on the load. Will be just a few of a skir horn. Most of them are pole horn. All these calves have had one shot and went around the shots. Bunk broke, they're getting about 3 or 4 pounds of silage, about 2 pounds of grain each day along with the grass. A very, very nice load of big steers weighing 860 pounds. But one load of Holstein steers weighing 860 coming from Dixon Farms to be sold on the September Max sale. These steers will be loaded on the farm on a truck, a 2 and a 5. The scales are about 10-12 miles from the farm. These cows are located just south of Burlington, North Carolina. All these steers will be bunk broke. These steers will be weighing approximately 850, 860. We're going to be selling all 82 steers. Be roughly a load and a half of them. Again, all these steers have one around the shots when they come in. They've been here since there were 3 weights. There are approximately 82 of them. 4 of them will have a little Jersey blood in them we saw earlier.